Okay, look, just stop manifesting. Seriously, just stop. Because everything you've been taught about raising your vibration, about aligning your energy, is actually keeping you stuck in the exact same pattern that you're trying to escape. So here's what to do instead. Most coaches, hypnotherapists, and creators that I work with tell me the same thing. I'm doing everything right. I'm being consistent. I'm taking action. I know my stuff is valuable. So why does it feel like I'm dragging my income and my clients toward me instead of attracting them? Well, here is the truth that nobody talks about. The harder you try, the more resistance you create. And so today I am going to break down exactly why that happens and what to do instead. I'm Victoria Gallagher, master hypnotherapist for over 25 years of experience working with the subconscious mind. And I am the best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app with over 1,000 hypnosis sessions, and the founder of Money Manifestation Mastery, which is a community where I help spiritual entrepreneurs just like you to manifest, yes, more clients and income through real subconscious work, not just surface level techniques. I don't mess around with the feel good exercises that don't create results. I go straight to the source, which is your subconscious programming, because that is where your real blocks live and where real breakthroughs actually happen. So here is what nobody tells you. Manifestation doesn't feel hard because you're doing it wrong. It feels hard because your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are running two completely different programs. On the one hand, your conscious mind, which is only 5% of your brain, says, I want to manifest more clients. I want to manifest $10,000 months. I'm ready to receive, right? But then your subconscious is running old programs like money is hard. I have to struggle to earn. It doesn't come easy. And if it does, I don't actually deserve it. And what if people find out that I don't actually know what I'm talking about? And guess which one wins? It's the subconscious mind every single time. Your subconscious doesn't respond to willpower, force, or effort. It responds to your identity. It responds to safety, what feels familiar, even if what feels familiar is struggle and hard work. So, quick question for you. I want you to type your answer in the comments below. When you think about receiving money easily, what is the first word that comes up for you? Not a sentence, just one word. Does it feel impossible? Does it feel scary? Does it feel undeserving? What is the word for you? Go ahead and drop it in the comments below because I actually read every comment and reply to it. Now, let me explain something that's going to totally blow your mind. The more effort you put into manifestation, the more you signal to your subconscious that what you want is actually far away, difficult, and it requires struggle. Think about it. When you have something, you don't strain for it, you don't obsess over it, you don't mentally wrestle it into existence. But when you're pushing, forcing, trying technique after technique, your subconscious reads that as this is hard, this requires effort, this isn't natural for me. And that becomes your new identity. The person who has to work for manifestations instead of the person who naturally receives them. So, what is actually blocking you? Let me walk you through the 7 hidden subconscious programs that quietly sabotage even the most talented coaches, hypnotherapists, and creators. First one is mental clutter. Your mind is so full of the how and the when that there is no space for receiving. 2, the need to control everything. You are micromanaging the universe instead of trusting the process. 3, unworthiness. Deep down, you don't believe you actually deserve easy money or effortless clients. 4, self-sabotage patterns. You get close to success, then you consciously pull back because growth feels unsafe. You do this on an unconscious level. 5, struggle conditioning. You were taught that hard work equals worthiness, so easy money feels wrong. 6, closed receiving channels. So you're great at giving, but you're terrible at receiving. Your subconscious literally blocks money from flowing to you. And 7, outdated identity. You still see yourself as a person who struggles, not the person who thrives. These aren't conscious mistakes. You're not doing this deliberately. These are protective programs. Your subconscious has installed these to help keep you safe based on all your past experiences, your childhood conditioning, and old beliefs. But here's the good news. Which of those 7 blocks hit home for you? Go ahead and type the number in the comments, 1 through 7, and be honest. The blocks you are aware of, those are the ones that you can actually clear. Now, real manifestation isn't about doing more. It's about removing that internal resistance that makes everything feel like a fight. When you clear subconscious blocks around money, receiving, and worthiness, manifestation stops being something you do and it becomes something that you are. So that's why I said stop manifesting, because you're doing it from a place of trying, struggling, hard work, from an old identity. So just change the identity and then manifest from there, because then you don't have to force it. Then you don't have to push. Then you don't have to convince the universe that you're worthy of it. You just remove what's in the way and everything starts flowing naturally. And that's the difference between the surface level manifestation and subconscious reprogramming. One of them keeps you spinning your wheels, the other one creates automatic actual results. So, last question. What would change in your business if manifestation felt easy? Go ahead and drop one word, drop it below. I am genuinely curious what your subconscious wants you to know. Now, if you are a coach, a hypnotherapist, or a creator who's tired of working hard for clients and income when you know you're meant to receive them easily, I've created something just for you. And it's called the 7-Day Faster Manifestation Challenge, which is inside of my Money Manifestation Mastery community on School. And for 7 days, we go directly into your subconscious to clear the exact money blocks that I just described, reprogram your receiving identity, and open your channels so that clients and income flow to you without force or hustle. And here's the best part. Right now, you can join for just $5 a month. You can lock that in, but that's only good until January 31st. Starting February 1st, it's going to go up to $9 a month, and then it's going to go up from there. So you can lock in $5 a month right now. That's your rate forever. And this isn't theory. This is subconscious work that creates real measurable shifts. So the link to that is in the description and it's pinned in the comments. And if you're sitting there commiserating on whether you should spend $5 or not a month to do this, that's all the more reason why you should do this. We literally have people that are getting ready to cross the $10,000 months mark within my community in just only 8 weeks of doing this work together. So if you want to go even deeper, also you can check out my Believe Hypnosis app for over 1,000 professionally recorded hypnosis sessions that I've created over the last 25 years. And these are all designed to reprogram your subconscious for success, abundance, confidence, and more. And it's just like me being your own personal hypnotherapist, but right there in your pocket that you can just access anytime. And if this video gave you that, oh, that's why this has been so hard moment, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. I post new subconscious programming content at least once or twice a week, if not more. And so here's what I want you to remember. Manifestation actually isn't hard. It's the resistance that is hard. So when you stop trying to manifest through resistance and instead you remove the blocks that create it, then everything changes. Your income stops feeling like a fight. Your clients stop feeling scarce. Your business stops requiring you to prove, push, and hustle your way to success. You step into the identity of someone who receives, and that's when manifestation becomes automatic, natural, and honestly, kind of effortless. That's the work we do inside of Money Manifestation Mastery. That's the identity shift the 7-day challenge creates. And that's what I want for you. So here's what to do next. Go ahead and join the 7-day faster manifestation challenge right now inside of Money Manifestation Mastery for just $5 a month. You get to lock that in forever. But again, the price is going to go up January 31st. This is 2026, by the way. For those of you who are watching in the future, it's going to go up to $9 on February 1st, and then we're going to increase the price from there. And you can download the Believe Hypnosis app for over 1,000 subconscious reprogramming sessions. Link is below. And go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss any videos. And drop your answers to those 3 questions in the comments. I am reading all of them. Once again, I'm Victoria Gallagher. I am the Law of Attraction hypnotist, and I will see you in the next video. Now go remove those blocks and start receiving what is already yours. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.